Introduction and significance of the course. Health options are oftentimes identity-infused practice. While common health entities may be interested with determining the benefits and risks of herbal medications already in usage, corporations and entrepreneurs hope herbal medications may fruit immediate feedbacks from herbal medication sales or fruit guides to hopeful chemical compounds for after-time pharmaceutical evolution. However, the evolution of universal history has become one of the more prominent merits of academic history through the previous 3 decades. Though there is a direction toward the evolution of universal pharmacopoeias, domestic pharmacopoeias, in spite of being affected by universal economy and politics, will go on to keep their identity and function. The exhibition use of hybridity has also affected trials to address theoretical forms of globalization as a great scale and yet fragmented procedure. In the broad feeling, we demand to define whether there is a public aim for ecopharmacognosy. In the nutraceutica, medicinal, cosmeceutical, agriculture, and other sciences that run globally, what is it assumed to be performed, and also for whom, how, and where? Significance of the course. The hybrid identity of herbal medications demonstrates a classic and constant challenge within health teaching. How can we manage from awareness to concrete act, and what notion or practical element comprises the lost link? The present course proposes that health identity may become a rival for the function of this lost link, both in theory and in practice, and thus far, accomplishment and identity notion in health teaching research does, however, offer various challenges. Anyway, there is nothing incorrect with inscription history in this path, but if that is how we perform, we will miss a chance to say to some of the extreme pressing matters of our time.